Hello viewers, welcome to the video lecture of dynamic memory allocation. Dynamic memory allocation is a technique to allocate, reallocate and release the memory during the execution time of the program. So by using this technique, we will allocate the memory based on the requirement of the program and release the memory when it is not needed. It saves a lot of systems memory. That is the advantage of the dynamic memory allocation. Introduction. It is a technique in which a program can acquire storage space in the memory. In this method, the space for the program is allocated from the free space during execution of the program. The free memory is called heap. Okay, so this is our memory. So local variable are stored in the stack. The free memory is called heap. Then we are having a memory space for the global variables followed by the program instructions and static variable. So this area is called the permanent storage area. So heap is used to allocate the memory during the execution time. That allocation is known as a dynamic memory allocation. For example, in a compile time allocation, I am declaring an array of 100, but I am storing only 5 values. Okay, the remaining the memory space for the 95 values is wasted. Instead of that, in dynamic memory allocation, we are able to allocate the memory according to the number of values used. It saves the memory. This is the advantage of dynamic memory allocation. Memory allocation functions. The functions is used to allocate memory space in bytes to the variable of different data types. It allocate the function allocate the memory space in bytes. Okay, for example, it will consider how many values we supposed to store and the data type of the value we store and the memory space requirement. So the memory is allocated in bytes. The function reserves bytes of determined size and returns the base address to the pointer variable. The memory allocation function reserves the bytes of determined size and return the base address to a pointer variable. The prototypes are declared in alloc.h and stdlib.h. You have to use these header file for the dynamic memory allocation. So memory allocation functions are in 3 categories. One is malloc, second one is callalloc, third one is realloc. The memory release function is free. The function name is free. Okay, in forthcoming video we will discuss about the memory allocation functions and release function in detail. Okay, it's a very useful techniques. It leads to optimum usage of the memory. Okay, that's it for the dynamic memory allocation, and thanks for watching the video. Those who yet to subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe it. Thank you.